Whether your shoes have gotten stretched out over time, or they were already too large when you got them, there are a few methods you can try to shrink them. If your shoes are made of canvas, leather, or suede, moisture and heat may do the trick. Try the shoes on and figure out where they need to be smaller so you can target those specific areas. For instance, you might notice extra room around the heel or the toe box. Once you know which parts of the shoe you want to shrink, dampen those areas with a bit of cool water. Dab on enough water with your fingers or a clean cloth so that the fabric of the shoe is damp, but not soaking wet. Then, grab a blow dryer and set it to medium heat. Hold the blow dryer about 6 inches, 15 centimeters away from the wet spot on the shoe and move it back and forth over the spot until the shoe fabric is dry to the touch. Then, put the shoe back on and see if you notice a difference. You may need to repeat the process a few times until you get the fit you want. If the shoe is made of leather or suede, apply some leather conditioner when you're done to prevent it from drying out or cracking. For sneakers, boots, or dress shoes made of non-flexible materials, you'll have to get a little more inventive. While you can't necessarily shrink the shoe itself, you can add padding to make it fit better. One easy solution is to put on a pair of thick socks to achieve a tighter overall fit. You can also add cushions to the inside of the heel or toe to fill empty space. If there's too much space at the top of the shoe, add a second cushion insole or an orthopedic insert. You can buy cushions and inserts for your shoes online, in a drugstore, or at a shoe store.